Welcome to Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Hello. My name is Carla. I'm your English teacher. Today we talk about greetings, ways to say hello in English. Charlie, the robot, will help us today.
Hello, class.
Charlie can repeat phrases after you. You say a word and Charlie repeats. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, Mr. Davis. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Anderson. Please come to my office. I need to talk to you.
Yes, Mr. Davis. Coming.
Good morning. I am sorry. I am late.
Good morning. I am sorry. I am late.
Oh, you can repeat.
Oh, you can repeat.
Hey there. How's it going?
Hey there. How's it going?
What's up?
What's up?
Not much. How about you?
Not much. How about you?
Hello. How have you been?
Hello. How have you been?
Hi. I've been good. And you?
Hi, I've been good. And you?
Alex,
Oh, I am sorry, Miss Anderson.
take your seat.
Hey there. How's it going? What's up? Not much. How about you? Hello. How have you been?
Okay, Charlie. Good job, Alex and Charlie. Let's get back to our lesson. Informal greetings. Our 5 phrases for today are: Number 1 is, good morning. Number 2 is, hey there, how's it going? Number 3 is, what's up? Not much. How about you? Number 4 is, hello, how have you been? And number 5 is, hi, I've been good, and you? Okay, that's it for now. Good job. See you again on Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe.